stage is glycolysis.
That's how ATP is made.
In the cytosol is this.
That's how ATP
Now in the
is
presence of O2 and a bit of glucose too, if you invest 2 ATP, you'll make a lot of energy. With the help of PFK, phosphates drop from ATP. They join onto glucose, making FBP. The FBP splits into 2 molecules of G3P. We add 2 more P's, reducing NAD. We make water for ATP, cause the phosphates of G3P, when they all are gone, we create pyruvate. Stuck outside the mitomatrix, active transport is the fix. Now they're inside, it's time to collide with oxygen to make CD oxide, and electrons added to NAD shell. COA bonds to acetyl. SCOA is its name, reactivity is its game.
Facts!
The cytosol is where it starts. That's how ATP is made.
And FBP is pulled apart.
That's how ATP is made.
G3P molecules are formed.
That's how ATP is made.
And pyruvate is what is earned.
That's how ATP is made.
They move into the mito.
That's how ATP is made.
Active transport is vital.
That's how ATP is made.
COA is added.
That's how ATP is made.
Just to make it reactive.
That's how ATP is made.
Citric acid cycle starts the next stage. Oxaloacetate reacts with SCOA. Citrate is then formed and lets out CO2.
Yeah.
NAD is reduced to form a new product. Yeah. Another carbon leaves. Now there ain't no more from the first glucose. NADH forms NAD+. Phosphate attaches to N of the MC. Then it leaves, links to ADP, forms ATP. The product moves on to the next step of the stage. Yeah. From FAD+ to FADH2. Oxidation also causes this too. This finally forms the final product of, used again for the other pyruvate, is oxaloacetate back in the game. 2 pyruvates go through the same. At the end of it all, we have a net gain.
Ching!
6 CO2, 2 ATP, 8 NADH, 2 FADH, important for the next stage.
SCOA gives us citrate.
That's how ATP is made.
Goes through the cycle to create
That's how ATP is made.
N and F, ADH,
That's how ATP is made.
both used in the final stage.
That's how ATP is made.
The ADH is
That's
used
how ATP
For
is
what?
made.
for the electron they lose.
That's how ATP is made.
It goes through the ET chain.
That's how ATP is made.
ATP is what we gain.
That's how ATP is made.
First NADH loses electrons. H plus travels in order to leave the NADH. Cytochrome complex used for transport cause H plus go across. Inner membrane space concentrated.
Traded.
The electrons travel down the chain of cytochrome complexes. Electronegativity increases as you go.
Now at the end, electrons leave by 2 oxygen. This forms from water, which leaves the cell as a waste product. Transport of H plus spins the ATP.
Synthase.
This occurs through passive transport.
Transport.
ADP and P enter active site. And that is the creation of ATP.
That's how ATP is made.
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 Glucose O2 formed to be.
That's how ATP is
Water,
made.
CO2, and energy.
That's how ATP is made.
Glycolysis initially.
That's how ATP is made.
Then CAC and ETC.
That's how ATP is made.